Hello guys, and today I will show you how to make a better sound on your Sony C500 headphones with the help of the Sony app. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So as the first step, we need to make sure that our headphones are connected to our phone. So we need to turn on the Bluetooth. Then we are taking the headphones out of the case and we need to hold these two big buttons for 5 to 7 seconds. They should start blinking by blue light like this, and then you can see them appear on the Bluetooth list with the name WF-C500. We just press on that name, and then you can see the headphones are connected to your phone. So after we successfully connected our headphones to our phone, let's get started with the Sony headphones application. But while are you using it, you need to make sure that your headphones are connected to your phone all the time. Let's start with the application. As you can see, here are 3 tabs. First one is named Status, second Sound, the third one is System. The first tab, it's a classic playback. You can start the song, you can stop it, switch to the next one or to the previous one. And you can regulate the loudness of the song right here. Second tab is named Sound, and it has a lot of functional to customize your sound in the headphones. We will get back to it a little bit later. And the third tab named System, you can see you can turn on or turn off the notifications and the voice guide, or change the language of the application. And now let's get back to the Sound tab to make the optimizations of the sound in your headphones. We are clicking on it, and the first thing we see here, that's an equalizer. That's exactly what we need. We click on this little arrow and we see a list of a lot of presets right here. You can try every of them, maybe one of them will fit your expectations, but now we will do our custom preset, which is one of the best sounding on my opinion. We need to find these 2 presets, custom 1 or custom 2. You can choose whichever you like. I will choose the second one. We need to press on this little icon right here and the equalizer opens. And now, after we made all of the changes, we just need to press this OK button in the right corner and everything's done. You can turn on your favorite music and enjoy the better sounding of your headphones. Thank you for watching.